So in today's video we will deal with the term catenation. What is catenation? So catenation is self-linking property. Self-linking property of an element means when an atom of an element make bond with similar atom of its kind is known as catenation. It is a self-linking property of an element. Okay, carbon shows catenation to an excellent extent due to its small size and tetravalency. Since carbon is tetravalent, means it is having 4 valence electron in its outermost shell, and each carbon can form 4 single bond with 4 other carbon, and then that 4 other carbon can make bond with other 4 carbon individually. So by this repeating process we get a long network of chain of carbons. This is the reason why we have a large number of organic compound due to the catenation. Since carbon is showing catenation to a very excellent extent, means the self-linking property of carbon is very excellent due to its small size. Hence it can form a long network of carbon chain. Let us see this example. Here this carbon atom has 4 valence electron and it is connected with these carbon atom, these 4, and then this carbon atom is connected with these 4 carbon atom. Like this carbon atom is connected with these 3 more atoms. Okay, so one carbon is connected with all other 4 nearing carbon. So the self-linking property of a carbon by its neighboring carbon, it's known as catenation, and we can extend this chain to n times, mean we can extend this chain to infinity. This process is repeating on and on and on, and we get a long network of carbon connected together. So our second topic is hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbons? As the name say, hydro stand for hydrogen and carbon stand for carbon. The compound that are made up only of 2 atoms, that are hydrogen and carbon. Only 2 types of atom are there. The number 1 is atoms of hydrogen and number 2 is atoms of carbon, are known as hydrocarbon. The compound which are made up from hydrogen and carbon only are known as hydrocarbon. So these are some example: methane, C2H6, that is ethane, C5H10, that is cyclopentane or pentene, C3H4, that is ethyne, and etc. On the basis of carbon-carbon bond, means how carbon is bonded with the next carbon, it can be a single, double or triple bond. We can classify hydrocarbon into 2 major groups, that is saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons are the compound that are made up from hydrogen and carbon only, and we can classify it into 2 major groups. The number 1 is saturated hydrocarbon and the number 2 is unsaturated hydrocarbons. So coming to the point, what are saturated hydrocarbons? So the hydrocarbon in which the carbon-carbon bond present is a single bond, is a sigma bond, then it is said to be a saturated hydrocarbon. Its example is alkane. Means let us take an example where we are taking 2 carbon atom and 6 hydrogen atom like this. 6 hydrogen atom like this. So the bond between 2 carbon atom is a single bond, and we know in earlier video we have already discussed the bond between carbon and hydrogen is always single. So since the bond between 2 carbon atoms C1 and C2 is a single bond, that's why it is a saturated hydrocarbon. All the hydrocarbon in which the bond between 2 carbon atom is a single bond, then it is said to be a saturated hydrocarbon. Example is alkene family. We will discuss about it. What is alkene family. Now coming to the point, unsaturated hydrocarbons means the unsaturated hydrocarbon are those hydrocarbon in which there is at least 1 double or triple bond present between 2 carbon atom. Means we are having a chain of hydrocarbon. Let us suppose there is 1 double bond between 2 carbon atom, or let us suppose there is 1 triple bond between 2 carbon atom. At least 1 double or triple bond present between 2 carbon atom. Then that type of hydrocarbons are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons. So the example of unsaturated hydrocarbon are alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes generally have at least 1 double bond and alkynes generally have at least 1 triple bond between 2 carbon atoms. So now let us see the what is alkane family. So alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon, means all the bond present between carbon at 2 carbon atom will be a single bond or a sigma bond. So the smallest member of methane, the smallest member of alkane family is methane. The formula is CH4. Then it is ethane, C2H6. Then propane, C3H8. As you all see, the bond between 2 carbon atom is always a single bond. In each case, the bond between 2 carbon atom is single. So we can say these are alkanes. These are saturated hydrocarbons. So pentane is C5H12, hexane is C6H14, and heptane is C7H16. We have put hydrogen according to tetravalency of carbon. So these are some member of alkane family. Now coming to the general formula of alkane family. General formula for the alkane family is CnH2n plus 2. Means if we are taking 2 carbon atoms, we will take 2 into 2 plus 2. Means 4 plus 2, 6 atom of hydrogen. Means the number of carbon we are taking, the hydrogen atom must be double and then add 2, 2n plus 2. If we are taking 3 carbon atom, means 2 into 3 plus 2. If we are taking 3 carbon atom, hydrogen atom will be 8. Okay, C3H8, C2H6. So we are taking, let us suppose we are taking 7 carbon atom, C7. So just double and add 2. 14 plus 2, 16, C7H16. It is also an alkane. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. We'll continue the alkene and alkyne in our next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.